Hi, John here. In this video I'll talk about why we should always test different Facebook ad formats, right? Like videos, images, carousel, and why we should not really focus only on one just because it works right now. Okay, so let's say that you are running your ads, right? And you found a perfect ad, like finally. You are selling this product, right? Because you're an e-commerce store, and you just, create like landing page, price is great. Then you create an ad, like it's like image ad, and that ad just sells great. Like you are everyday furious, you are constantly scaling your store, and you are just getting more and more orders, and like life is awesome, right? And well, just because this is happening, there are a couple of things that you need to think about. First, it will all die, right? Because there's like a not single ad that will survive like in long term, right? I mean, they can survive, it can run for some time, it can run even for a couple months, but at some point it will die. You can restart it later, and basically after a couple months the ad can run like a new again, but still it will die. And once it will die, then basically that level of ads that you're running right now, so let's say that you started and you scale your store from nothing to like a $10,000 per day, right? And you are running already on different numbers, right? So for you, it's absolutely unacceptable to go lower, right? And well, because you already have like different amounts of like sales, different amounts of refunds, chargebacks, or for example, people that work for you or in your team, right? They need to pay. So basically, to kind of like keep your results consistent and always protected, so you can really like, for example, plan like your stock month ahead or 2 months ahead, so you are not stressed that one day you are running $10,000 in sales per day and second day you are running like 50. That's why you need to always test multiple ads, but also like test multiple different ad formats, right? Because just because right now works for you, for example, image, doesn't matter that video will work same way like image, right? Sometimes a video will like completely over deliver, right? And it's cheaper and it works better. Similar thing is for carousels, or for example when you are targeting reels and all these things. Sometimes Facebook decide to favor some ad formats, right? So let's say that first came images, right? Then came videos, and now everybody almost use videos. But to be honest, now actually images are cheaper, right? Because Facebook is trying to like balance always all these placements, right? So all of them are getting some ads. So that means that you should always test different ad formats, because you never know which one of these ad formats is actually cheaper, right? So just because you are now getting like awesome results and you are thinking like, oh, it's like great, like life is perfect, right? It doesn't mean that just by like switching from video to image, you will like be getting in next day like 10 times better results, right? Because maybe like most people move from images to videos, right? So images are super cheap because nobody's doing images, and Facebook need to send something to images, right? So that's why every time we run something for clients or for us, we always test different ad formats, because we never know which one of them is actually right now like for that specific market like popular, right? And once we know, then we can immediately scale, right? And we constantly test them, so we are never actually, surprised once results go down. So it's absolutely like important to test all of them. It's very strategic, and you need to do it, because more you run, more sales you have, on higher level of success you are kind of like operating. You can't just go down, right? Because then like a lot of things will just like start eating you. So you always need to be really like proactive, and really understand where are right now like the easiest sales, and take those easiest sales first. So definitely do that and test different Facebook ad formats, because well, it's really like one of the most important things that you can do, for optimization and for getting like better sales, like a little like next day. So thank you very much for watching my video, and if you still didn't download my Facebook ad launch guide for e-commerce, which is free, definitely download it, because I literally wrote it for e-commerce owners. And for example, if you are already running with Facebook advertising agency and you would like to know if that agency is doing best to actually scale your sales, and if they are actually not holding you down, then definitely download it, because you will be able to find out if these people are doing a great job and really like helping your business to grow. So definitely download that. And thank you very much for watching my video, and if you like my videos, definitely subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, and I will see you in my tomorrow video. So thank you very much and have a great day. Bye.